Today, we're going to talk about how to set and change the pre-installed and the default ringtones on our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus and replace them with your favorite song, custom music, or even your own recordings. Now, if you go to Settings, from there to Sounds and Vibration, go to Ringtone. If you're using dual SIM, select the SIM that I want to change the ringtone. Now you can switch to any of these pre-installed ringtones from the default one. To add a custom music, if you tap on this plus sign, you will see only the pre-installed Samsung one is showing. Cause from any source you want, first those audio files or MP3 music files should be saved into this device, so that when you open up your Files app, it shows up either in the audio or the downloads folder, or in your internal storage's download folder. Otherwise, the tracks will not show up in that section. So now, if we go back into the same settings, you will see all your custom music files, recordings, etc. is showing up in here. If you want, you can also go to the folder and manually search for those songs in here. So all you're going to do now is just go ahead, select that song or music as your ringtone, and then press done. And that music will be added as a custom music in the same section. And you can follow this exact same process to set as many songs as your ringtone and interchange between them in any of your SIMs. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.